Howdy, my name is Kyler Fife, and this is Discovering Aggieland. Today, we're not in College Station. We're 150 miles southeast at none other than Texas A&M University at Galveston. Now this is where marine biology, maritime leadership, and Aggie traditions all come together on the coast. And trust me, this campus is a world of its own. So today, we're joined by Chabot, who's our student body president here, and is gonna tell us about what life is actually like on the coast, from classes on the water to hands-on research. And stick around, because you're gonna wanna find out how you can best support the amazing work being done here on the island. So Lily, before we get started, just tell us a little bit about yourself. What's your major and where are you from?
So I am fortunate to be the student body president here at Texas A&M Galveston, and I am a senior maritime studies major with minors in scuba diving technology, museum studies, and anthropology, and I'm originally from Green, Maine.
There you go. Well, we're glad you ended up here in Texas. Now, can you tell us what's so special about the Aggie experience here in Galveston?
The Aggie experience here in Galveston is special because we live the island life, but we still have the same traditions as y'all do in College Station, including the Aggie Ring, we have our own Sea Aggie band, and we even have our own group of yell eaters.
That's awesome. Now, can you tell us about the unique things that we're going to be discovering on this campus today?
Yeah, so on campus today, you'll be discovering a lot of hands-on research opportunities, including some on our very own vessels that we have on campus, as well as you'll even get to meet some members of our Maritime Academy.
Well, I can't wait to go explore the rest of campus today. Now, I got to backtrack a little bit because you talked about the Maritime Academy, and over in College Station, I'm a member of the Corps of Cadets. So when I heard that there's something similar, I've got to learn more.
Our Texas A&M Maritime Academy is one of 6 state maritime academies, and it's the only one on the Gulf Coast. Here, our cadets are pursuing their 3rd mate unlimited tonnage license to prepare them for careers at sea.
So now, sharing a campus with the Maritime Academy, how does that impact the overall student experience for everyone else?
It definitely brings a unique energy to our campus. Our students can be seen daily walking to class in their uniforms, standing watch, and even lining up for formation in the morning. And these routines prepare our cadets for careers at sea as they're structured in their leadership, as well as it's important to note that not every student is in the Maritime Academy, but it definitely sets our campus apart in how we're unique.
And so I've gotten the sense that leadership and discipline are really important here on this campus. And I've also heard that the research in the lab and out in the field is top notch. So could you tell us about that research here at Galveston?
So one big element of research on our campus right now is the Gulf Center for Sea Turtle Research. Dr. Marshall's team has been instrumental in helping save the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle from near extinction. And now we're building a new research facility that will be huge in the global marine conservation sphere.
Wow, Lily, that really is incredible. Now, could you tell us, are there other ways for students to get involved with research on campus?
Definitely. Our sea life facility is entirely student staffed. And every time I go in there, there's a new organism to be observed, everything from coral, phytoplankton, upside down jellyfish. There are so many ways in which students can pick what they're involved in the research sphere.
Well, it sounds like Texas A&M Galveston is really equipped for research like this.
We are. We're actually one of only 17 schools in the country with land, sea, and space grant status, which sets us up to make major breakthroughs in the space where the ocean meets the classroom.
Now, can you tell us how we can continue to support students like you?
Yeah, so first, I'd recommend starting by contacting our friends at the Texas A&M Foundation. There, they can talk with you, find out what your passions are, and connect you with the right people to make things happen.
Well, that's awesome. I know our friends at the Texas A&M Foundation are gonna be able to get students like you in this campus what they need. You know, I think I'm gonna have to switch my major so I can come check out all the hands-on water activities for myself.
Funny thing, Kyler, you actually don't have to. So here at Texas A&M Galveston, every student, no matter what their major, has the opportunity to get their water time. I actually think there's a class about to head out on the Trident right now. There might be space if you want to go join.
All right, well, I'm gonna go change and see if I can hop on that boat. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll let you get back to class, and we'll see you soon. We're about here by the Trident, and we're gonna join our Marine Biology 101 class. Classes actually get to go out on this boat all semester. So I'm gonna get on board and see what these students are up to. Thank y'all so much for joining me on this episode of Discovering Aggieland.